Click on the link below to get price. The Whole House Dehumidifier 90 Pint is a robust solution designed for those who struggle with excess humidity in their living spaces. With its impressive capacity to remove up to 90 pints of moisture per day, this unit is particularly effective in larger homes or areas prone to dampness, such as basements, laundry rooms, or kitchens. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its inclusion of a 10 aluminum foil outlet duct. This duct allows for efficient airflow and easy installation, enabling the unit to disperse dry air effectively throughout the home. The aluminum material ensures durability and heat resistance, making it suitable for long-term use without the concern of wear and tear. The dehumidifier operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for those who value peace and comfort in their living environments. Many users report that they hardly notice the unit is running, allowing them to maintain a serene atmosphere even during operation. The adjustable humidity settings provide users with the flexibility to tailor the dehumidification process to their specific needs, ensuring optimum humidity levels are maintained. Additionally, the built-in hygrometer accurately measures the humidity levels in the room, enabling the device to function efficiently without excessive energy consumption. This feature not only aids in maintaining a comfortable environment but also contributes to energy savings over time. Maintenance is straightforward, with a removable water tank that makes emptying and cleaning hassle-free. The automatic shut-off feature when the tank is full is an excellent safety measure, preventing overflow and potential water damage. Overall, the Whole House Dehumidifier 90 Pint is a reliable and effective solution for managing humidity levels in larger spaces. With its powerful performance, quiet operation, and user-friendly features, it represents a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality and comfort in their home.